Did you know that some of the most common items in your home could be increasing your risk of cancer? It's surprising but true. Today, we're diving into the world of household products to uncover the hidden dangers lurking in everyday items. From cleaning products to personal care items, plastics, and air fresheners, we'll explore what the research says and how you can make safer choices for you and your family. Stick around, because this is information you don't want to miss. Let's start with cleaning products. We all want a clean home, but some of the chemicals in these products can be quite harmful. For example, formaldehyde, ammonia, and chlorine are commonly found in many household cleaners. According to a study by the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences, regular exposure to formaldehyde can increase the risk of nasopharyngeal cancer and leukemia. Additionally, a study published in the Environmental Health Perspectives journal found that women who frequently used household cleaners had a 20 to 30% increased risk of breast cancer. So what can you do? Look for cleaners that use natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. They're not only safer, but also just as effective. Also, consider making your own cleaning solutions. A simple mix of water, vinegar, and a few drops of essential oil can be a powerful and non-toxic cleaner for most surfaces. Next up, personal care products. Items like deodorants, shampoos, and cosmetics are part of our daily routine, but they often contain harmful chemicals like parabens, phthalates, and formaldehyde. A study from the Journal of Applied Toxicology found that parabens, which are used as preservatives, can mimic estrogen in the body and have been linked to breast cancer. Phthalates, found in many fragrances, have been shown to disrupt hormones and are associated with an increased risk of breast cancer, according to research from the Environmental Health Perspectives journal. To reduce your risk, opt for products that are free from these chemicals. Look for labels that say paraben-free, phthalate-free, and formaldehyde-free. There are many great natural and organic options available. Additionally, pay attention to the ingredients in your cosmetics. The Environmental Working Group's Skin Deep database is a great resource to check the safety of your personal care products. Plastics are everywhere in our homes, from food containers to water bottles, but many plastics contain BPA, bisphenol A, and phthalates, which can leach into food and drinks. BPA has been shown to mimic estrogen and may increase the risk of breast and prostate cancer. A study by the American Cancer Society found that high levels of BPA exposure were linked to a 50% increase in the risk of breast cancer. Similarly, phthalates have been linked to various health issues, including cancer. Consider switching to glass or stainless steel containers for food storage and drinks. Not only are they safer, but they're also better for the environment. Also, avoid microwaving food in plastic containers, as heat can cause more chemicals to leach into your food. Instead, use glass or ceramic containers. Air fresheners and scented products might make your home smell nice, but they often release toxic chemicals like benzene and formaldehyde. Benzene is a known carcinogen, and studies have shown that regular exposure can increase the risk of leukemia. A report from the National Cancer Institute found that long-term exposure to benzene can lead to bone marrow abnormalities and a higher risk of blood cancers. Instead of synthetic air fresheners, try using natural options like essential oils or even houseplants, which can help purify the air. Some great plants for air purification include the snake plant, spider plant, and peace lily. Additionally, you can make your own air fresheners using natural ingredients like baking soda and essential oils. Non-stick cookware is a kitchen staple, but it can be a source of concern. Many non-stick coatings, such as Teflon, contain chemicals known as PFAS, and polyfluoroalkyl substances. These chemicals have been linked to various health issues, including cancer. The American Cancer Society states that PFAS exposure can increase the risk of kidney and testicular cancer. To minimize risk, consider using alternatives like stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic cookware. These options are safer and can be just as effective for cooking. Also, avoid using high heat on non-stick pans and discard them if they become scratched or damaged, as this can release more chemicals. Pesticides and insecticides are commonly used to keep our homes and gardens pest-free, but they can be harmful. Many of these products contain chemicals like glyphosate, which has been classified as a probable human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. A study published in Environmental Sciences Europe indicated that regular exposure to glyphosate can increase the risk of non-Hodgkin lymphoma by 41%. To reduce exposure, consider using natural pest control methods. Products containing neem oil, diatomaceous earth, or essential oils can be effective alternatives. Additionally, maintaining a clean home and garden can help minimize the need for chemical pesticides. Many of us rely on dry cleaning for our delicate clothes, but did you know that the chemicals used in dry cleaning can be harmful? One of the main chemicals used is perchloroethylene, or PERC. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, long-term exposure to PERC can increase the risk of several types of cancer, including bladder, esophageal, and cervical cancers. To reduce your risk, look for dry cleaners that use alternative cleaning methods such as wet cleaning or CO2 cleaning, which are safer for both you and the environment. Additionally, airing out dry-cleaned clothes before wearing them can help reduce chemical residue. Humidifiers are commonly used to add moisture to the air, especially in dry climates or during the winter. While they can provide relief from dry skin and respiratory issues, they also come with potential risks if not properly maintained. One significant concern is the emission of fine particulate matter and bacteria from dirty humidifiers, which can affect indoor air quality. If a humidifier is not cleaned regularly, it can become a breeding ground for mold, bacteria, and fungi. When these microorganisms are dispersed into the air, they can be inhaled and cause respiratory problems. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, inhaling certain types of mold and bacteria can lead to serious health issues, including respiratory infections and chronic lung conditions. Moreover, some humidifiers use ultrasonic technology to disperse water vapor, which can release fine particulate matter into the air. A study published in Indoor Air Journal found that these particles could potentially carry harmful chemicals and allergens, contributing to respiratory and other health problems. While there's no direct evidence linking humidifier use to cancer, poor air quality and chronic respiratory issues are known risk factors for developing serious health conditions, including cancer. To minimize risks, always use distilled water in your humidifier to prevent mineral buildup and regularly clean and disinfect the device according to the manufacturer's instructions. Also, ensure proper ventilation in the room where the humidifier is used to avoid excessive moisture, which can promote mold growth. To recap, many everyday household items can increase your risk of cancer due to the harmful chemicals they contain or improper use. By choosing safer alternatives for cleaning products, personal care items, plastics, air fresheners, cookware, pesticides, dry cleaning, and maintaining devices like humidifiers, you can reduce your exposure and protect your health. Remember, it's all about making informed choices. Do your research, read labels, and opt for natural and organic options whenever possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe.